This is the product we get from Mobile Star. It's a full control panel that replaces our control panel that come with the engine from John Deere. So we'll take that control panel off and we will plug and play this control panel. It plugs into the same wiring harness. It's a pretty easy switch over. Still have all the functions that we had on our John Deere control panel with engine RPM, oil pressure. The Murphy shutdowns are still there. We have a throttle up and throttle down key switch. This is the onboard modem, and there's a computer on the back side of this panel. In the tractor cab then, to run this unit, I just use a laptop computer running off a Verizon wireless card to get internet access. We log on to the Mobile Star site, and then we have control over our engine. The main control panel will allow us to control up to 6 engines. We're only going to control this one right here. But we plug in what the ID of the identification of the panel is, place them in order so that we can control the correct pump that we want to control. And then from here we are able to monitor our inlet pressure coming into the pump, our outlet pressure going out of the pump, and our engine RPM. And we can throttle up and throttle down at different settings depending on how much we want the increment or how much we want the ramp to be, from 50 to 250 RPM. We also can start and stop the engine. So to start the engine, we hit start. It says, do you want to proceed? Yes. Okay, and then once our engine is up and running, we can see our commanded RPM, our actual engine RPM, which is matching our engine RPM up here. And then if we want to throttle up, we just click throttle up. Engine RPM goes to 1,000, 980, which is what our other panel's saying. Throttle up again. Throttle up again. Take it back to an idle, and then we were able to stop the engine also. And that's how I'm able to run 2, 3, or up to 6 pumps from my tractor cab.